Huh? They're walking. So much water here, right? Huh? I think there's a lot of fish, big fish. Huh? Ooh, look into that breeze. Yeah, breeze. Tall. I think we have to go check with Google Auntie. Right? We have to say, okay Google, tell me how many fish are there in this dam. Oh, do you see they put a net here? Do you see there is the far there's a net? I think that is to preserve the fish so they don't get to the water this side. Dance, dance, dance. Show me the fish dance. Crab dance. This is a dance. It's a fish dance. Have a crab dance. Catfish dance. Now trout dance. To the right side, Liam, please. Yeah. Are you a police officer? Police officer? Okay. All right. Sir. Jump. Good job. Jump again. One more time. Jump. I say 1, 2, 3. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Whoa. Again. 1 more 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump. 1.